Understanding stress, the good and the bad. Stress is a natural part of life. It is our body's response to challenges and demands. When we perceive a threat, our brain triggers a series of physiological changes. This is known as the stress response. Stress can be helpful in short bursts. It helps us focus and perform better under pressure. Think about a time you had to meet a deadline. Stress likely helped you concentrate and get the work done. This is positive stress. However, stress can become a problem when it is constant. This is called chronic stress. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on our physical and mental health. It can lead to problems like anxiety, depression, and even heart disease. Imagine feeling overwhelmed and exhausted for weeks on end. This is the damaging impact of chronic stress. The brain under stress. A cascade of hormones and impacts. When we experience stress, our brain's fear center, the amygdala, sends out an alarm signal. This signal activates the HPA axis. The HPA axis is a complex system that controls our stress response. It involves the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and adrenal glands. These glands release hormones, including cortisol, into the bloodstream. Cortisol is often called the stress hormone. It provides us with energy and focus in the short term. However, when cortisol levels remain high for prolonged periods due to chronic stress, it starts to harm the body and brain. Chronic stress and its lasting effects on the brain. Chronic stress has a significant impact on our brain structure and function. The hippocampus, a brain area crucial for learning and memory, is particularly vulnerable. High levels of cortisol can damage and shrink the hippocampus. This can lead to memory problems and difficulty forming new memories. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making, planning, and emotional regulation, is also affected. Chronic stress weakens the connections between the prefrontal cortex and other brain regions. This can make it harder to think clearly, control impulses, and manage emotions effectively. Furthermore, stress can alter our genes' activity through a process called epigenetics. Studies show that chronic stress can cause changes in gene expression. These changes can even be passed down to future generations. This highlights the profound and lasting impact stress can have on us. Managing stress, taking charge of your brain health. The good news is that we can mitigate the negative effects of stress. Engaging in stress-reducing activities can protect our brains and improve our overall well-being. Exercise is a powerful antidote to stress. It helps lower cortisol levels and releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Meditation and mindfulness practices have also proven effective in stress management. These practices help calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and improve focus. Even short meditation sessions can make a difference. By understanding the science of stress and adopting healthy coping mechanisms, we can harness stress to our advantage and live healthier, more fulfilling lives. Remember, managing stress is crucial for maintaining a healthy brain and overall well-being.